Hello friends. Waving hand sign, welcome back to Ranvir Motor 360, your one-stop destination for the latest updates from the automotive world. Today, we're talking about the brand new electric SUV that has just been launched in India, the Vinfast VF7. Let's get started. Vinfast has officially launched its VF7 electric SUV in India at a starting price of 20.89 lakh rupees, ex-showroom. With booking already underway, buyers also get ownership benefits, including free charging until the end of July 2028, a 10-year or 2 lakh kilometer warranty, and complimentary maintenance for the first 3 years. The VF7 sports a modern design, featuring all LED lighting and 19-inch alloy wheels, along with connected LED DRLs and tail lamps. The electric SUV will be offered in 6 exterior color options, namely Infinity Blank, Crimson Red, Jet Black, Desert Silver, Zenith Grey, Urban Mint. A panoramic glass roof enhances the cabin's airy feel, while the all-wheel drive system reinforces its performance credentials. Inside, the VF7 comes loaded with a 12.9-inch infotainment screen, colored heads-up display, and Level 2 ADAS. The comfort amenities include cooled front seats, an 8-way power driver seat, dual-zone climate control, an air purifier, an 8-speaker sound system, and Type-C charging ports along with a panoramic glass roof. The VF7 offers multiple battery pack options. It can be had with 59.6 kWh and 70.8 kWh battery packs, with the former generating 175 brake horsepower and 250 Nm with an MIDC range of 438 km. The bigger battery pack with dual motor is tuned to produce 201 brake horsepower and 310 Nm with a 532 km MIDC range. The all-wheel drive setup is reserved only on the higher variants. And that's all about the Vinfast VF7 electric SUV. What do you think about this EV? Would you consider buying it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest car and bike news only on Ranvir Motor 360. See you in the next one. Until then, take care and stay safe.